Hola e bienvenido a Peru. Peru is a country in western South Africa, bordered by Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Bolivia, and Chile, and the Pacific Ocean. It is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and varied geography, which includes coastal deserts and the Andes Mountains and the Amazon rainforests. And here is some basic information or facts about the colorful country of Peru. The capital city of Peru is Lima. Lima serves as the political, economic, and cultural center of the country. It is also the largest city and it's located along the Pacific coast, making it an important hub for trade and tourism. The official languages of Peru are Spanish, Quechua, and Aymara. Spanish is the most widely spoken language and is used in government, education, and business. However, Quechua and Aymara are important indigenous languages that represents Peru's rich cultural heritage, especially in the Andean regions. The demonym for people from Peru is Peruvian or Peruvian. This term refers to anyone who's come from or is a citizen of Peru. Peru has a population of approximately 34 million people. The country is home to a diverse mix of ethnic groups, including indigenous peoples and other communities, which makes Peru culturally rich. In terms of land area, Peru covers about 1,285,216 square kilometers, and it's one of the largest countries in South America and is known for its diverse geography including coastal areas, the Andes Mountains, and the Amazon rainforest. The currency used in Peru is the Peruvian sol, abbreviated as PEN or PEN. This is the official money used for buying goods and services throughout the country. Peru follows time, also known as PET or PET, which is UTC. This means Peru is 5 hours behind Coordinated Universal Time and does not observe daylight saving time. This slide shows the geography and climate of Peru. Peru is divided into the three main geographical regions, the Costa, the Sierra, and the Selva. The Costa or coast is located along the Pacific Ocean. It has a mostly dry and desert-like climate, but it is where many major cities including Lima are found. The Sierra or highlands is the mountainous regions of Peru. This area is part of the Andes Mountains and has a cooler climate due to its high elevation. The Selva or rainforest is located in the eastern part of the country. It is part of the Amazon rainforest. In terms of climate, Peru experiences two main seasons, the dry season and the rainy season. The dry season usually has lean rainfall and clearer sky, while the rainy season brings heavy rains, especially in the highlands and the rainforest areas. Peru is presidential democratic republic with a cameral congress and an engaged electorate, and its president since 2025 is Jose Herri. The religious landscape is defined by a dominant Catholic majority, 75 up to 80% deeply woven into national identity. The rapid growth of evangelicalism and the unique syncretic blend is a Andes that fuses Christian tradition with indigenous reverence for Pachamama. To succeed in Peruvian market, one must look beyond the balance sheets and understand cultural fabric that drives professional life in Peru. Business is deeply personal and structured. Peru had a power of relationship. When it comes to business, Peru is inherently relation-driven. Trust is the primary currency. Cold calling is rarely effective. Instead, the most successful venture begin with a warm introduction through a mutual contact to establish a foundation of personal connection. Peru had a understanding hierarchy because according to them, it is important to respect the organizational hierarchy. Peruvian companies generally operate with a top-down structure, while collaboration happens at all levels. The final decisions are almost exclusively made by high-ranking executives. The last one is the navigating Peruvian time. Because there is none of punctuality. In Lima's formal business sectors, meetings are increasingly starting on time. However, in some settings, Peruvian time often prevails, where arriving 30 to 60 minutes after the scheduled start is considered common and culturally accepted. Peruvian society is anchored by the family as the undisputed social center, where collective well-being and reputation outweigh individuals' desire. Supported practically by multi-generational living and the influential padrinazgo system that extends kinship and responsibilities to godparents. When it comes to their behavior, greetings is one of the standards, warm and physical. Men usually shake hands while women often greet with a single kiss on the right cheek. And their feedback, communication is generally indirect to avoid losing face or causing offense. Critically, feedback is best delivered privately and cushioned with positive remarks to maintain the relationship. And their status, respect for hierarchy is vital. People are often addressed by their professional titles to acknowledge their social and professional standing. Cleanliness, personal appearance is highly valued. Dressing well and maintaining a net clean appearance is a sign of respect for oneself and others in both social, business, and settings. Their national pride is intense pride in Peruvian heritage, particularly regarding their world-renowned cousin, the Inca Empire's history and the national football team. And when it comes to the tourism assets, the Incan legacy or the Sacred Valley and Cusco region serve as the heart of Peru's history anchored by the iconic Machu Picchu and the ancient mysteries. Beyond the mountains, the Nazca lines offer a unique glimpse into a pre-Columbian ingenuity. To truly understand the spirit of Peru, one must look at its vibrant living traditions. The country's identity is expressed through powerful festival, dance, and ancestral rituals that bridge the past and the present. First, we have the Inti Raymi Festival, or the Festival of the Sun. This is one of the most significant celebrations in the Andes, honoring the Incan sun god with elaborate ceremonies and traditional performances. Next is the Marinera Dance, a graceful and romantic traditional dance that represents the blend of diverse cultures within Peru. Known for its elegant footwork and use of the handkerchiefs, and its proud symbol of Peruvian coastal heritage. Lastly, we see the preservation of history through traditional indigenous costumes and rituals. These vibrant garments and sacred ceremony are not just for display. They are essential to the daily lives and spiritual identity of indigenous communities across the country of Peru. That's all about the Peru. Muchas gracias.